Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, today I want to solve a math from cash flow statement. The math is the following information of Orsha Limited are presented. Net profit 32,500 taka, issuance of share 1,94,000 taka, dividend paid 10,000 taka, machinery purchase 1,40,000 taka, sales of equipment 45,000 taka, decrease of accounts receivable 6,000 taka, depreciation 17,500 taka, and loss on sale of equipment 6,000 taka. Requirements: prepare cash flow statement from operating activities. Requirement B, prepare cash flow statement from investing activities. And requirement C, prepare cash flow statement from financing activities. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Now solution. Requirement A, that is cash flows from operating activities. My dear student, just mind it. Only cash flows from operating activities will be started with net profit or net loss. Okay, dear students. Here net profit 32,500 taka. Then adjustment. At first depreciation 17,500 taka will be added here. Now the question, why added? My dear student, just follow me. When you calculate net profit, then depreciation will deduct from gross profit, but cash amount does not go out. For this reason, this amount will be added here. Okay, dear student. Same way, loss on sale of equipment will be added here. Now, decrease of accounts receivable 6,000 taka will be added here. Now the question, why? My dear student, just follow me. Accounts receivable one kind of current assets. So when you get money from accounts receivable, then cash will be increased but accounts receivable will be decreased. Okay, dear students. Now 17,500 taka plus 6,000 taka plus 6,000 taka, total 29,500 taka. Now 32,500 taka plus 29,500 taka, total 62,500 taka. So net cash provided by operating activities 62,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B, that is cash flows from investing activities. My dear student, mind it, purchase or sales of all types fixed assets will be recorded here. For this reason, purchase of machinery will be recorded here within bracket, because when purchase of any kind of assets, then cash will go out from the business. Okay, dear student. Now sale of equipment will be added. Now the question, why? My dear student, just follow me. When you sell equipment, then cash will be increased in your business. Okay, dear student. Now 1,40,000 taka minus 45,000 taka, finally 95,000 taka minus figure. For this reason, we should write down here net cash used, not provided. Net cash used by investing activities. Okay, dear students. My dear students, now requirement C, that is cash flows from financing activities. At first, issue of share 1,94,000 taka. My dear student, when you issue share, then cash will be increased in your business. And dividend paid 10,000 taka within bracket. My dear student, when you pay dividend, cash will go out. Okay, dear student. Now 1,94,000 taka minus 10,000 taka. Finally, 1,84,000 taka plus figure. For this reason, we should write down net cash provided by financing activities. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C. Now, extra question and solution from this stream. Question: show journal entries of decrease of accounts receivable and loss on sale of equipment. First journal entry: cash account debit, accounts receivable credit. And second journal entry for loss on sale of equipment. Loss on sale of equipment account debit, equipment account credit. Okay, dear student, thank you so much.